Welcome, Clicked Up TV. Definitely in the place to be today or tonight, I might say. I got something going on. I want to do an unboxing, just a basic unboxing review right now. You know, as you see in the picture, I got the EP360 LED lumen. It got about 2,000 lumens to be exact. So, you know, just get in preparation for whenever the power shuts down, whenever, you know, the lights go off for whatever mysterious reason. You know, you're prepared. You got a backup system of flashlights, you got a backup system of batteries, you got a backup system of canned goods, and many other things. So I just want to do an unboxing. Like I said, it's the EP360, and yes, I did open it up. I didn't want to be here playing around with knives and everything, so I decided to do that part first. Everything's still in the plastic, so I'm just take everything out. See what we got here. Now, I just purchased this from Costco for about 40 bucks. 40 bucks from Costco. Look, oh, I'm tearing up boxes already. So here's one of the lights. Yes, this is a LED detachable light system. It has 3 lights, 1 main and 2 detachment lights that goes on here. Here's another detachment light. And I'm going to pull out the mother light. Throw that to the side. Here she is. Voila. Turn her around while she's still in plastic. Voila. Voila. Okay. So it has a nice stand, as you see. This stand could be used for tripod purposes. You know, you can connect your tripod on here. You know, get the aiming your light in multiple directions. It's a multiple purpose light. You know, you can also use it like on cars. Let me just put that here and see what these other attachments look like here. So each detachment, I think, carries about 800 lumens. I don't know if it's already charged. Oh, it's already charged. I love that. I love devices that at least come half charged. And I don't have nothing to test this on, but I don't have any metal. Let's use my microphone stand. So this is my microphone stand. Got a good view. Oh, well, excuse me. I guess that's not metal. It's not going to attach. It's not going to attach. I don't know. I got a metal plate in my head. But anyway, you know, you can hang this on the side of a roof of a car while you work on the engine or work on the battery or work on any component of a car. Where there's dark areas, you can use this as an extra light. And you can control the light. There's about 2 or 3 volumes there. So, and in this box, of course, we have the other. Oh, it comes with a nice charger, a USB cord, a USB cable. So that's good. You don't have to buy no extra stuff for that. But yes, alright. So you actually have 2 of these. That's pretty neat. And let's see if this one's charged. Oh, that one's charged too. Oh, we're going to have to turn some lights off so I can really give y'all guys some good examples. Show you when the twilight zone. This would be good too, you know, for filming. Yeah, this is pretty good. You get good views, good color, you know, good saturation. Yep. I'll turn the light off while we're broadcasting and show you guys how this thing really works. But let me turn this off because it wouldn't be right. The light be wasted and we can't even finish the review. We didn't even bring out the motherboard. Okay, the motherboard. Okay. So, for instance, she has a output, a USB output in the back here. That's pretty handy. And it's 2 ports. You know, this thing has a lot of power. And let's see what's on the other side. Oh, look. It has some, oh, none of it won't show. It just showed some LED lights. It was amazing. It was blue. Come on, show again. I gotta press this. Let's see. Press that one time. Turn it back off. See if the LED lights. Yeah, see the LED lights on. Let you know it's fully charged. It goes back off. It also has an input, looks like for a type C, could be a possible type C, or type A, could be a little smaller than that, but let's see. These things detach like Voltron or something. Let's see what this do. Oh, okay, slide in there. Oh, it's pretty easy. It'll take a scientist to figure this out. It had instructions in there, but I choose not to bring them out because I like to figure out things for myself. So just imagine you're the only one in the neighborhood. When the lights go out, your neighbor's not prepared, and you have this wonderful thing right here. I was going to say it's not going to come on, but okay. Let's go turn some lights off. Let's hit some lights. Let's turn, I got so many lights on. Let's hit some lights off, guys. Oh, I have nobody in the production studio with me. I gotta do everything myself. Alright. I'm just gonna turn some lights. I got one more light over here. Turning everything off. I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing. What I'm gonna do when the electrical company, Pacific Gas and Electric, Pac Bell, whoever your services is, Edison, you can use this, the EP360. It lights up a room real good. Look at that background. My background's still used. So for the end of this unboxing, you're gonna see me broadcast the end of this unboxing with this light. It's marvelous. It's marvelous. And it's not even erasing any electricity in your house. It's not wasting any electricity in your house at all. So, and I only got one light on. I don't even have all of them. Let's try all of them. Come on. It won't be right if we don't put the rest of them on. How we looking? We looking good. You know, this could be our storytelling light. You know, I come on, do a little live. I just tell you about science and technology. You know, that's what we do on Clicked Up TV. This is a boxing review, but I always stretch my content a little bit, and I might add a little something. You know, to fluff a little here and fluff a little there. But this is basically an unboxing review. The light is blinding my eyes. Let me finish the unboxing review and turn on the natural light. Turn on the natural light. Turn back on all the natural lights. Alright. So I can finish talking to you guys. I got one more light. One more light, people. Alright. So 2,000 lumens. And I'm going to break that down to you. The 2,000 lumens. Oh. Get those lights off. Lights, camera, action. Alright, so. The main one here, the mother, that's 1,000. The left one, that's 500. The other side, the right, that's another 500. So that's a total of 2,000 lumens coming at you live. You got a nice little sturdy handle. Got a nice little grip. No way you can drop this. There's no way whatsoever. And even on the back of here, oh, it got some more plugs. You got a plug in there. I guess you can charge these up individually. You can charge them up individually. That's pretty tight. So, once again, it has its own plugging system inside, and I'm quite sure the other one has the same feature. Let's see. Yes. So we can plug these up individually and charge it. So that's it again. A good review for the EP360. You know, hope you like this review. My reviews, my unboxing reviews don't be all that good, but the EP360 straight out of Costco for a good 40 bucks, you can't beat it. Let me throw a couple of pictures in there for the thumbnail. Wait, hold on. What they be doing? Oh, I gotta put, it gotta be in the picture. Let me know which one y'all like. Let me stop playing with y'all. But that's the EP360 boxing review coming at you live in 2022 and beyond. I'm out.